Gross cash pay for this month was 108. The total earnings for this month was 90,792. Hi guys, welcome to the village. My name is Boni. Let's look at artisans pay slips. Okay, we're gonna have a look at a welder, mechanical fitters, two millwrights, a processor, and a technical training coordinator. Let's start with a technical training coordinator. Hold a diploma in OEDTP. I'm a technical training coordinator. Yeah, let's see. He works for a parastatal. Monthly salary 47,707. And then there is ad hoc overtime 4,161, another overtime 22,000, another overtime 16,000, and then there's Sunday overtime as well, or standby allowance, a medical aid allowance 1.7, and night shift allowance 1.6. Total earnings 103. Excuse me guys, I'm battling with my voice here. Okay, it's a bit strained. Yeah, total earnings 103,000. But the basic salary, guys, is 47,000. Let's not get carried away. Okay, basic salary is 47,000. There's just a lot of overtime. Let's see the net pay. Deductions 40,131. A net pay of 63,453. Chest pains. But I know some are gonna say, I know it's not chest pains, there's too much overtime. Okay, let's go to a processor now. Someone who's a processor, they work at a mine. Requirements was grade 12 with maths and science and nothing more. Okay, they have 4 years of experience. They work for this big mine, quite a big established mine. I just put them here. I know they are not an artisan, but they are a processor. Okay, basic salary is 20,477. You might not see it, it's right there at the end. And then there's a lot of overtime and shift allowance. I'm not gonna go through it one by one, but total earnings here was 53,766. That's for this month here. And then a net pay of 40,421. Total deductions was 13,345, and a net pay of 40,421. There's someone who is a processor at a mine and they only have grade 12 with maths and science. That was the requirement. All right, let's now move to a millwright. Hi Boni, I'm a qualified millwright with 1 year and 7 months experience post trade test. Okay, but overall years of experience it's 8. Okay, the company is also paying 60,000 for my accommodation for a 3-bedroom house, and I use a company car. Haters are gonna hate. Okay, hourly rate is 188. Okay, but for this month they got 45,120, and then there's overtime 2.5, standby allowance 2.6, and then shift allowance 16,495. Housing allowance here it says 3,000, but he said on the email they're paying 16,000, so I don't know which is which. Total earnings 83,359. Net pay of 52,468. That's a millwright, guys, qualified millwright, 1 year 7 months post trade test. I am loving it. Tax is 8,457, and then another set of tax 14,901. I don't know why was it separate. Yo, total deductions 30,890, and a net pay of 52,468. I realize I'm artisans. I won't lie to you. I'm artisans generally. I won't lie. There's just a thing. They will just frustrate us. Anyway, there's no competition. There is absolutely no competition. Guys, remember you can also send me your payslip via my email. I'm just gonna leave it here. Yeah. Hi Boni, I'm a qualified millwright with 12 years of experience. I'm currently working as a service technician. The job that I'm currently on is my 7th job. Yo, he's been moving around in a space of 12 years. It is very easy to get an artisan job in South Africa if you are qualified and experienced millwright. That's what he's saying. But the first step is for me to get the experience. Okay, do you get what I mean? Yes, of course. Once we have the experience, guys, it's very easy. Okay, normal cash 43,846. Overtime is 12,330. There's quite a lot. There's allowances 10,136, fringe benefits 9,000, company contributions 1.2, total package 117. Hi guys, kuningi, but gross cash pay for this month was 108. Tax was 35,000, net cash 65,528. There's quite a lot here going on, but the net pay is 65,528. This is a millwright that is working as a service technician. Okay, and they have 12 years of experience. What I'm noticing with this millwright, they move a lot. They moved a lot. Like, they are not staying at one company for 10 years. In a space of 12 years, they've had 7 jobs. Okay. Now let's look at this mechanical fitter. Hi Boni, I have 15 years of experience in trackless mining. Okay, fitter antenna with a mechanic trade. Right. 15 years of experience. Basic salary 44,674. Housing allowance 9,600 rands. And then production bonus 13,000. Another bonus for safety is 11,000. No, bonus for safety is 5,480. And then there's something here that says con tops. It says con tops 11,615. Total earnings for this month was 90,792. Guys, please don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe, if you haven't already. Total deductions 27,773. Total pay for this month is 63,000. Mechanical fitter with 15 years of experience. Okay, that's good. Remember, basic salary is 44,000. All these other things, they are not something that you get every month. Okay, let's just remember that. But you know what, I don't know what the village feels about it. I mean, I'm happy. Net pay of 63,000. Happy days. Now let's move to another mechanical fitter. This one was not getting paid well. TikTok was not happy. TikTok was not happy. They have about 1 year of experience, I think. Yes, they just finished, so I don't know, but they have a trade test already. Basic salary 8,620, and then there's nothing else, just 8,620. Deductions 86 rands. Net pay 8,533. Where's the tax? Are they not paying tax? Guys, at what point do you pay tax? Okay, I'm confused. It's just UIF here, and then that's it. Net pay 8,533. I don't know why they are not taxed. Does anyone know? Yeah, but they just qualified, guys, so there's no need to be like up in arms, calling the union. No, guys, they just qualified. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and like the video. It tells YouTube that the video has value. Yo guys, my voice is struggling, but you know what, each job is fine. Hi Boni, I have 8 years of experience, NQF level 6 diploma in welding plus red seal in welding plus level 1 welding inspector plus N3 instrumentation engineering. Yay! He was a well qualified umuntu. Ayesiboneke. Normal hours 56,000 rands. Overtime 42,175. Total earnings 98,000. Total deductions 32,482. And a net pay of 65,692. When I published this on TikTok, people said, but this person is more in management, you know, it's not like he's still a welder or something. So, but I don't know, guys, what you think about this, but that's what it is. Like, basic salary is 56,000 rands, and they have 8 years of experience, red seal, this and that, okay? Now, let's go to a driver. I just put this here because I didn't know where to put it. Someone who is a driver, only matric and driver's license with a PDP. They work for a municipality. Yo! Basic salary 23,765. Overtime 5,632. Leave pay 15,594. Okay. Pays you earn 9,500. So a net pay for this month was 27,000. Deductions were 17,000. Okay. Okay, so total earnings was 44,992, and then deductions 17,883, and a net pay of 27,108. But remember, there was a leave pay there, okay? But their basic salary is 23,765 and some overtime there, okay? So let's not be misled somehow, okay? It had leave pay. This is why the gross earnings were 44,992. And guys, please don't ask me, no, why people only share pay slips when they have bonuses and whatnot. The most important thing, we can all see what is the basic salary. You know, that's just how I see it. That's my view. We can all see what is the basic salary. That's the most important thing. Beggars can't be choosers. We need this pay slip, so I can't be choosing. Remember, you can also share your payslip with me. I'll leave the email here. Otherwise, guys, I will see you on the next one. Bye. I hope you find value. If you did, please like the video and share it. Sharp.